Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your USB device to your Samsung TV. So I have it connected in the back already. I just had to reach around and then plug it in. So it's kind of hard to see with my TV setup, but here it is, my little USB device. Now, you have to have this formatted, I believe exFAT or FAT32. If you have it NTFS, it might not show up on your TV. So if you know anything about the file systems for this, exFAT. So I'm just going to reach around and then plug this into the back of the TV under the USB port. So I have it plugged in. Now on your Samsung TV, it's very easy. Just go back to the home screen and then we can just scroll on down. So it might pop up for you. Mine literally just popped up for me and I didn't do anything. Otherwise, it's going to be under connected devices right down here. And then you can see your USB device located on the left side of the screen over here. So we can just select it, and then here's all my different videos and stuff. So it looks like I did a video of me doing a video or something like that. So here's some pictures on here, and I can view it and I can do a slideshow and stuff. And then I got some other videos on here too. So you can just check it out. It's very easy. It should pop up if it's the right format and stuff. But just reach around to the back of the TV. There's going to be a small USB slot on there. And then if it's not working, just go on over to where it says connected devices right here. And you should be able to see it under here. And just make sure it's formatted to exFAT. You'll have to do this on your computer, your laptop. You just click on it, go to format, exFAT, and it'll delete everything off there. And you should be able to put new things on there, and it should work on your TV now.